What's up, guys? So behind me is the newest addition to the garage, if you will. It is a 2007 Kia Sportage. Got it from a guy I work with. He didn't want it anymore, so he gave it to me for free. You know, it is what it is. So today we're going to start the, we'll call it a restoration project. See how it goes. Let's do a walk around. Now, for being a free car, it's actually in remarkable shape. So it has, let's see if the light's up. It only has 299,000 miles, basically brand new. Everything looks good. Some damage to the paint. We'll be going over all that. And I took the tires, these are the rally tires, that I had on the old Maxima. The Maxima doesn't work anymore, so this car gets them. The one problem, this is plexiglass. The guy I got it from told me there was a break-in at a Walmart a few years ago, and they just never replaced the glass. Sounds like the motor still works in the window, so ordered a new piece of glass. It should be here by Sunday. We'll deal with that then, but today we're doing the restoration of the headlights, removing the bumpers, and getting them repainted. Okay. Oxidizing wipe. Now I am sure I'm supposed to be wearing gloves, but I don't live that life. All right. Oof. Oh, it's burning my eyeballs. Well, that's headlight 1. Let's check out headlight 2. Okay. That's it. Looks a lot better already. I can honestly say I'm impressed. Look at that. Looks great. This is the box. It's a Cerakote ceramic coating, lifetime guarantee. I think it was 20 bucks on Amazon. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Now it says it takes an hour for it to cure. So we're gonna let that sit. Let's look at the other one too. Oh, god damn. So we're gonna let that sit, and in the meantime, we're gonna take apart the bumpers. So I've never really worked much on Kias, but skibidoo, psych. I forgot how much I hate push tabs, because these push tabs are broken. They're the little screw into the base push tabs. So we are gonna do the logical thing. See, look at that. I can't even drill through it. So this one, I had to drill through the other. Let's see if that helped this thing. Ugh. Nope. Oh yeah, the taillights have to come out too, so that's fun. But, so, let's try again. Whew, holy Lord. All right, so you can see by the amount of damage. Most of these old push tabs were like beyond reproach, so I had to drill through them. So I'm gonna have to find some more, but it's off. Well, we got the bumper off. It's here. It is already 4 o'clock and the sun is going down. So I don't know how much we're gonna get finished. So let's get started. We'll probably get the rear done, and that's gonna be it for the day. So there's multiple types of these. This one has a sticky back. That's new. The 5-in-1, the best for spraying anything automotive. It has the fan, which is number 4. 4. Those are my chickens. They all say hello. All right, we're gonna sit and let this dry. We're gonna sit and let this dry for a bit, and then we're gonna put on the clear coat. This is what it looks like without the clear coat. You can see some issues as it's drying because it's going to not dry evenly. But, I mean, it's better than it was. So, ooh, hi me. That's actually not bad. So with the clear, I believe I'm using the Super Gloss. Is that what it's called? Gloss Enamel Clear Coat, the 5-in-1. Best choice. As soon as this dries, we're going to put it on. And while we're waiting on that drive, let's check these out. So this has been about an hour. Oh, dang. I ain't gonna lie, I'm impressed. For $19.99, I think is what it costs from Amazon. These look as good as new headlights. I mean, obviously they are not, but who cares? They look good and it saved me money. That's all that matters. Let's go see if it dried. Let's see if it dried. So, it's a little tacky, but it's dry to the touch, so let's get spraying. Well, damn, got some orange peel. Let's check it out. So, see how it dries, but right out the gate, dude, hella orange peel. Like, what the Lord? It is what it is. So that means I'm pretty much going to have to go through, sand it down again, and, oh, that aggravates me, man, but it's part of the game. So I'm hoping, because as it's drying, the peel is getting a little bit better. So I'm thinking maybe I just put it on too heavy, but I mean, it is a plastic rear bumper, so I mean, it's never going to be perfect. And it does kind of, I mean, it's a rear bumper. What does it matter? But I was kind of hoping that's a drip. Ugh, I'm a fucking amateur today. Oh, it was an abysmal attempt. Oh, I'm disgusted with myself. Oh, it's terrible. It's terrible. I'm going to set this bumper on fire now. All right, before I go through and redo it all again, I'm doubling down. I threw on another couple coats, clear coat. I'm going to see if Ugh. I'm disgusted by myself. What is this, amateur hour? But I'm hoping the extra clear coat, because if we look, that's actually kind of what it's supposed to look like right there. So I'm hoping that the weight, it'll settle better. Yeah, because even with the extra clear coat, it's already settling better. So I got to run to the store. I'm going to let this dry. Don't touch it. All right, I swear to God. Let it dry. Hopefully when I come back, it's looking better, and I'll throw it on before the sun sets. All right, so another morning dawns. The paint, it's about as good as it's gonna get. It kind of gives it an accidental like bed coat liner thing. All right, so time to put it back on. So, well, that's it, and that's the bumper put back on. I mean, the paint's not perfect by any means, but it's better than it was, and it's passable. And we're keeping this as cheap as we can. So I think that's gonna be it for today's video. The front bumper is a little bit more labor intensive to get off, so I'll probably do a video of that and the window being replaced at the same time. But Cerakote, brand new headlights right there. So we'll start doing other stuff, and we'll go from there. I'll keep you guys posted.